Okay, first instruction is disconnect the factory installed compressor run wire from the common run capacitor. So here's your capacitor, here's your compressor. So I believe it's this one here that runs from S on the compressor over to the capacitor. So I follow S, which is here, is the red wire. I'm going to follow it through, and it's this wire right there on the right in the back. Okay, step 1A-B is splice the brown wire to the factory installed compressor run wire previously disconnected. So here is my brown wire. I'm colorblind, so I hope that's correct. This is the one that we just connected, which still ran to the compressor. So again, the brown wire is coming from the ICMB870. Okay, step 2. The red wire to the run capacitor, which is the one that I just disconnected. So the red wire from here ran it through the wall and reconnected it back there. All right, third step, connect the blue wire to the run capacitor hermetic start terminal. So here's your blue wire, comes down and here. And I had a hard time with this. And so then I realized that I already had this one connected, so it's basically just the opposite side. So you can see where I plugged the blue one in, it's opposite of the red. I ran it with Shoreline. I ran it on, use a 2200 watt generator. I even put it in eco mode, and it all worked. So there it is, we'll button it all up now. Okay, last step, step 4, splice the black wire with the factory install compressor overload. So here's the black wire here coming from the soft start. Here's your overload, shows here, overload is on C, and I just splice these in. And the way I like to do is I like to cut into the main wire, kind of open it up, stick the other wire in, wrap it, and then I just tape it. And those have never failed me, so. And that's it. Now let's go down and put one compressor on and see if it works. There we go. We're on a high fan, blowing cold. And yep, it's still running on eco mode. And that's high fan. A lot better than having to pack two 2,000 watt generators or one big one. All right, it's all installed, working perfect. One thing I did do, which I saw in another video, is I wrapped all the corners in metal tape. I guess that keeps any air out. I do need to come up tomorrow and use self-tappers to connect the soft start to the aluminum there. But I am actually painting the cover black, so I figure I'll just do that tomorrow. Less times I can get on the roof, the better.